Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to remove your Gmail account from another device, so make sure to watch this video till the end. To remove your Gmail account from another device, all you have to do is simply open the Gmail app first. Once the app opens, tap the profile icon at the top right corner and make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. If not, switch or log in to the appropriate Gmail account. After that, tap the profile icon again and select the option that says Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings. Now swipe to the Security and Sign In. Click on it to open. Once you're on the Security and Sign In page, scroll down until you find the option called Manage All Devices. Tap on it. Here you will see a complete list of devices where your Google account is currently logged in. Simply choose the device you want to remove. Tap on the device. It may ask you to verify for security reason. Then tap the Sign Out button, then again tap Sign Out. This will immediately remove your account from that device. And that is how you can remove your Gmail or Google account from another device. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.